future executive school.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello students, welcome to online series in Future Executive School. How are you? Education class, I hope you are learning well. This is your English class. Open your reader book page number 6. Okay? Book page number 6. Today our lecture is about transport activity. Circle the pictures beginning with B and color them. Okay, firstly we can identify these pictures name. Okay, this one is boat, bus, bicycle and helicopter. Okay, you can see boat beginning sound is b. Okay, circle the boat like that. Okay, then bus, b, bus, b, bus. Circle the bus. The sound of bus is b. Next is bicycle, bicycle sound, beginning sound is b. Circle the bicycle and color them. Okay, look at this picture. This is helicopter sound is so we can circle the helicopter. Okay, we circled boat, bus, bicycle and colored them. Now we start coloring like that. Coloring boat. No outside coloring, no white portion. Do it neat and clean work. Very well. Boat. Boat beginning sound is b. Boat. Boat. Okay, the next picture is bus. Bus. Bus beginning sound is b. Okay, the next picture is bicycle. Bicycle beginning sound is b. To the color neat and clean. No white portion, no outside coloring. Okay, I have done my work. So, let's start our poem.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 wah. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 all through the town. The mommies on the bus go shh, 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 shh. The mommies on the bus go shh, 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 all through the town.
Okay, I hope you will understand. Allah Hafiz. See you again.